Hello. Hi everybody, how are you doing? Today we are going to learn something about Excel sheet in our phone. How you can use an Excel sheet or work in Excel in our phone. When you don't have any computer, it's easy, simple. How you can make Excel data sheet in your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, you will go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. Then you download Microsoft 365 Office. It is already here. So you write Microsoft 365 Office. Then you download it. After you download it, you come back. Then you open the application. It is here, Microsoft 365 Office. Then you open it. You open it like this. Then you will click Create. We have Microsoft, we have Excel, PowerPoint, Word, everything that you need. Have Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Notes, everything. So we are going to make a data sheet in Excel. So let us click Create. So when you click Create, it appears here. You have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF. You have forms. So we will click Excel. So when you click Excel, if you have the paper, you can scan it. If you have blank workbook, and we have the template. So when I click on the template, you see it will appear here. When I click on the template, it appears here. You see, these are some of the list of the template. As the same as send a tier computer, so the same thing in a tier. Try and subscribe to my channel. It's the same thing here as it is in a computer. So we are going to create a new one. So we will go to the blank workbook. So we click here. It's downloading. You see how is it? So we are going to create a data like this. So here maybe you write the names. You write the names. Maybe you write at the top name, then you go here, you write the product, and you write the price. Then maybe the name, here you write like this. You see, maybe you write Alex. You click, you write Eric, you click, you write John, you click, you write Felix, then you click, you write Peter, then you click, you write Mary, then you click. So maybe you write Stacy, it is like that. Then later, last one you write Tuta. No. You write Tuta. You write Tuta. So here you write the product. Maybe the product you write computer. So let's write something which is the normally banana, then you enter, write mango, enter, tomato, enter, you write grapes, you enter, you write ananas, and you enter, you write you can write banana again, banana, enter, mango, then last one is a tuta. So you write the price, maybe here you bought 300, enter, we bought 400, enter, he bought 50, enter, he bought 65, enter, he bought 70, enter, he bought 120, enter. You see, so you bought 55 here, enter. So we are going to find the total price of it. So here we will go to, maybe you can make it easier. So it's equal to, you have to use F is this formula. So we use sum function. You see, we use sum function. So sum function, then we click here, then we drag it to here, then we enter. So it's 1060. So later, let's come and make it we have to border it. So we click here and we drag it to here like this. So we will click here, some of the functions, all borders. So you have to tick all borders. You have to tick all borders. Later, you have to make it bold. This is bold. You have to make it Cabri body. So I want to make it 16. You see, 16. So I want to color only the total in different way. So the color for total is yellow, but the other, I want to color it also in different form. You see, no, I don't want this color. I don't want the yellow color. So I want to change the color. I want to change the color into this light green. So it is like this. So later I click here, then I go back. You see how you have made it. You see how is it? It's very, very, very nice. So you can send it to the person in the correct way. You see, it is very, very simple. It is very simple. It is very simple. So you can send it. You can send it. So if you finish, then you share it. You share it in attachments form. Try and subscribe to my channel. Try and subscribe to my channel. So anytime I come online, you see the notification. Then we all learn together. Because it is very simple. It doesn't need, if you have computer, you don't have computer, you can use your phone directly to work in Excel. So here we are going to send it to the person. Maybe the person will receive it through PDF in WhatsApp. So we click share as an attachment. Go as PDF or workbook. You can share it. So I want to share it as PDF. So I click the PDF. So it is getting into PDF. You see? So maybe if it is, I will share into Drive. I will share it into Message. Though I want to share it into WhatsApp. So I click the WhatsApp page, share it here. I want to share it here. So let's go. So I'm sharing it as PDF. So it is here. You see how You see how I send it as PDF? I share it as PDF here. You see? So when I click it, it will come back to PDF form. You see? So when I click here, or I click here, when I click here or I click here, it will come into PDF form. So let me click here. Adobe Acrobat Reader. You see? You see? You see? You see how it is? You see, it is easy. It is easy. So it doesn't need, if you have computer, it doesn't have computer. You can do it in your phone. Exactly. Try and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.